What makes an electric car tick? Underneath the sleek exterior, there's a world of innovation at work. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are built on a foundation of cutting-edge technology that's changing the way we think about transportation. It's all about the battery and electric motor. The battery stores energy, while the motor transforms that energy into smooth, silent motion. Unlike traditional engines, these components work together seamlessly, delivering power instantly and efficiently. Fewer moving parts mean less can go wrong. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no exhaust. Maintenance is simpler, and reliability is higher. You'll spend less time at the shop and more time on the road, enjoying the drive. Electric cars are efficient, turning stored energy into motion with minimal waste. In fact, EVs convert over 75% of the electrical energy from the grid to power at the wheels, far more than gasoline vehicles can manage. The headline? Zero tailpipe emissions. No smoke, no smog, just clean air, especially in cities. Imagine a morning commute without the haze of pollution, where every breath feels fresher and every view is clearer. While the grid isn't fully green yet, driving an EV is a big step toward cleaner streets. As more renewable energy sources like wind and solar power the grid, the environmental benefits of EVs will only grow. Performance is another win. Electric motors deliver instant torque. That means rapid acceleration the moment you press the pedal, making city driving and merging onto highways a breeze. Press the accelerator, and you're off. No waiting for gears or revs. The response is immediate, giving you a sense of control and excitement every time you drive.